When a user account is created on MiCollab, a deployment email is automatically sent to the user with links to download the client software and QR code. To download the MiCollab Client desktop, click on Windows PC link in the deployment email. Once downloaded, click on Open File. Accept the license agreement to continue. Select Install. Once installation is complete, click Finish to open MiCollab Client. The client requests an authentication key. Use the authentication key provided in your deployment email. Click Login. The desktop client opens. Read through the tutorial or choose Skip to proceed to the home screen. You are now logged in.